Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see an important essay, that is role of students in nation building. I have written this essay in best manner and I have included all the important headings and points. So let's see the video. Introduction. Students are the future of every nation. They are young, energetic, and full of new ideas. If students use their energy in right way, they can help to make their country better and stronger. Nation building means developing a country in all areas like education, health, economy, technology, and society. Students have big role in this because they are the leaders of tomorrow. Now let's see the importance of students in a nation. Students are the most active and growing part of a country's population. They are fast and are open to change. They are full of energy and have fresh minds to think of new and better ways to do things. If they guided properly, students can bring many positive changes in society. They are the foundation on which the future of country is built. Now let's see the role of students in education. The first and most important duty of students is to study well and gain proper knowledge. With good education, students can become responsible and skilled citizens like doctors, engineers, scientists, teachers, and more. Students can also share their knowledge by teaching poor or needy children in their free time. Through education, they can help reduce ignorance and make society more aware and responsible. Now let's see the role of students in social work. Students can help their communities by keeping their surroundings clean, planting trees, and saving water. They can volunteer for social activities like blood donation, food distribution, or helping people during disasters. They can also speak out against wrong practices like children labor, dowry, or gender discrimination. Their small efforts can make a big difference in creating a kind and helpful society. Now let's see the role of students in spreading awareness. Students can play a big role in spreading awareness about important issues like environmental protection, health, hygiene, and the importance of voting. They can use posters, social media, street plays, and rallies to educate others. By spreading the right message, students can inspire people to change their habits and think better. Now let's see the role of students in unity and peace. In schools and colleges, students from different religions, castes, and regions study and work together. This teaches them unity, brotherhood, and respect for all. Students should avoid fights and hatred and always support peace and harmony. Role of students in innovation and progress. Many students have created new inventions, apps, and solutions that help in real life problems. Their ideas and creativity can solve issues in fields like education, health, agriculture, and technology. Young minds can think differently and come up with better and cheaper ways to solve big problems. These innovations help the country grow faster and smarter. Now we will see role of students as responsible citizen. Students should follow rules, respect elders, and develop good habits like honesty and discipline. They should keep their surroundings clean and not waste electricity, water, or food. They should stay away from bad company and focus on doing the right things. As they grow older, they should take part in voting and other duties of a good citizen. Now we will see the conclusion of this essay. Students are the builders of nation's future. Their thoughts, actions, and habits shape the country. If students stay disciplined, educated, and socially active, they can make the nation stronger, peaceful, and successful. They are not just the hope of tomorrow, but the power of today. A nation can rise only when its students rise with knowledge, unity, and responsibility. Thanks for watching this video.